Nasking here again, and on this new video we are going to talk about how to take sniper entries, or at least how I take my sniper entries. I'm going to show you guys illustrations on a live account. I will take live examples and let's see how it's possible. I'll show you easy steps that I take with price action and indicator to use also to take sniper entries, whether you're using a small account or you are using a huge one. All illustrations will be made on this video. I'm gonna show you how it's really possible to use it to make good money, flip small accounts or even huge ones. That's what we're going to talk about in this video, so let's get down to it. But before that, if you are not yet subscribed, please go and subscribe to this channel, guys. Like this video if you're already interested in what I'm gonna talk about, or if you're anticipating. Yeah, support the channel, guys. Share the video too if you want to reach it out to your friends and family. This is what we are going to be talking about. We're going to be using crash 500 index and the step index. I already opened positions on them, as you can see, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys why I took the position, how I took them, and how to go out of the market on a sniper entry, but most importantly, how to find a sniper entry and strike once you get the opportunity. So that's what we're talking about in this video. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so as you can see there now on the chart, I opened both sell for crash and step index, because as you can see, I'm also putting up market rejection parameters, letting you know that where it consolidates and then there's a breakout in that, whether it's breaking up or down, whatever it breaks out, that's the direction it's going to go for a long time. But I specifically made a video about this, so I'll leave it in this video description so you guys can go check it out. As you can see there now, I opened up a lot of positions on the real account to show you guys that yeah, this can really be done, and this can really be of good use, flipping that small account of yours, or whether it's a huge one, any account you have. All we want to make is that we want to be profitable. So as you can see there now clearly, once you identify a consolidation, probably in the resistance or the higher highs, you are going to opt in for a sell. Vice versa when it's on the lower lows or at the support level or bottom trend line. These things are what you should put at the back of your mind when trying to get sniper entries. But just know, once you get that, you confirm the market is ranging, go in, guys. Strike with massive lot sizes, because you already know for sure. You can see I keep opening more lot size. I can open a small lot size because I know for sure it's very close to my stop loss for crash 500 index, right? I put the stop loss just a bit above consolidation because I know if it breaks, it's gonna keep going up, but it's more likely, there's a more tendency, 80%, 90% tendency for it to break downside, because it's at the higher high and it's at the resistance and it's at the bottom, the top of the bearish trend line overall. Check that. So definitely this is going to be a sell. But we are not the owners of the market, so we always have to stay careful, put risk management at the back of our mind at all times. But yeah, that's just how I do it, guys. I'm here to show you guys how I take my sniper entries. Once I get what I want, there's a consolidation at the higher highs up and the resistance. I see the market is about to retrace back down for a sell, and the bulls are giving up on the market, and the bears is about to take over. I go in, strike my lot sizes, and boom, I'm just gonna wait for my profit, which you're going to see in this video. As you can see, I opened a whole bunch of, as over almost 10 lot size for crash, and a couple of massive lot sizes too for step index, and I am in for a sell. Let's see what the market is gonna do in just few minutes from now. as you can see, guys. It's already going down in profit, but it's still consolidating though. The moment we are going to be so sure that the market is going to ride in profit for a long time is when it breaks one of maybe upside or downside. That's when we are going to know for sure the market is going to go into our direction for a long time. So but that's just it. Let's keep holding the market and see what happens next. Let's keep holding, guys. Alright, guys, so on this video I've already talked about why I took them and how I took them. As you can see, we are out there, we are waiting for a breakout to be a reversal, a confirmation of a reversal. But I'm going to make a part 2 of this video. The market is still on, so I'm going to show you guys the aftermath in part 2 to show you guys what really happened. Did they go back to our entry point? Did we end up closing in loss or even much more profit? Here's what I'm going to talk about in part 1. Then I'll tell you how to exit the trade and also how to find entry in part 2. Yeah, so that's what we'll be talking about in part 2. This is just part 1. Subscribe if you haven't, if you want to get more details on how to trade market reversal, how to catch sniper entries most of the time. As you can see, the step witness has officially broken. So each time the market breaks the consolidation, reversing back to profit, you know for sure it's going to go in for a long time. So I'm definitely going to hold my position very long. Crash 500 index is yet to break. Hopefully it's going to break soon and we're going to hold both indexes. That's it for me, guys. With all that being said, so you can say it's not really hard to do. You just need to be able to point out where the market is about to reverse. I'll make more emphasis on part 2 like I always do. Watch the full video in this video description. And also forget, I told you guys I'm going to share an indicator that supports this breakout strategy, but I will do that in the part 2. So stick around, guys. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Once again, keep enjoying this video. I told you guys once it breaks that parameter is going to keep going to that particular direction for a long time. So if you are holding it on a small or huge account, just keep holding with full confidence, because you know for sure it's going to keep you in profit. Yeah, so that's how you place stop loss in profit, but just catch sniper entries. This is part 1, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section. I'll go through all your comments and I'll make sure I reply to as much as everyone comments that I can. See you all in the next one.